Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so first of all, I wanted to talk to you, for those of you who were not able to make it in, which is totally fine, about the worm house or farm that you're going to be creating today. So these directions will be attached for you, so you don't have to like squint your eyes and try to read it off of here. But this is Mrs. Horning's worm farm, and she made it yesterday. So I'm going to show you how you are supposed to do this. So first of all, you at the very bottom, I put some rocks down, and the rocks really just covered the base of it. And then after the rocks, you can see that Mrs. Horning put a little bit of soil. Now everybody has soil around them. You just need to go outside and get it. If you don't have rocks, that is optional. I don't always use those, only when I can find them. And then if you have sand, I really recommend you can see the layers of sand. And then what was next after the sand was some leaves, and I put some banana peels in there. And then after the leaves, I repeated it. I did sand. I did another layer of soil, and I did a layer of sand, a little bit of soil, and then, guys, I'm getting dirt on my desk here. Look, it's already starting to grow up in there. And then I actually put some worms in here. So we dug up some worms. So yes, you guys need to go outside. Now today might not be the day because it's supposed to rain, but this is what it looks like. And I forgot to tell you that after you put the rocks in, that's when you put your second jar in. So it makes it nice and thin, okay? So this is what, for those of you who already built this, our next step is to write about what we did. So I'm going to switch my screens here. All right, so first of all, mine was a little jar. So first put the rocks in. Then the little jar on top of the rocks. Now, I'm going to suggest that if you want to fill that little jar, if you have a lid, to fill that little jar and tighten that lid, and it will help keep that jar in place. Next, look at these transition words. Put some soil. Let's do layer. Put a layer of soil, comma, a layer of sand, comma, and a small layer of leaves. Now break those leaves up, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure they're broken up. Repeat. You want to do that at least twice. Soil, sand, leaves. Soil, sand, leaves. Then add a little soil to the top. And my recommendation is, last, add 5 worms, ladies and gentlemen. I'm asking you, you need to get your hands dirty. You need to go outside and start digging to try to find those 5 worms. They are going to be in moist places. Okay, so you're going to have to dig in and see if you can find that. All right, so dig down deep, find a moist place. If it's dry, they're not going to want to be there. And then, I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little bit of condensation. So you have to keep this soil moist, but don't drown the worms. And then each week we're going to do some observations. And I'm also going to add a picture here. I'm going to show you a picture from last year that I drew. So again, and I'm going to draw in the rocks and you can color it. I just haven't had time to do that, but I will definitely add it. So that is your science for today, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I will see you soon.